Hey guys, welcome back. This is Steve with LRM Leasing. Today we're going to talk about HVAC. I've been getting phone calls pretty much about the HVAC, a certain code of 1548. That's the beginning of the code. It could be FMI 4 or 5, but that's usually the temp sensor that is located on your evaporator box. So today I have a Freightliner Cascadia right here, which his complaint was on a Freightliner. What I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on this 2019 where it's located, and about almost 90% of the time, that's the problem. It's gonna be most likely in the front, or it's gonna be the one in the bunk, especially if you have a sleeper instead of a day cab. So what I'm gonna do right now, you don't need any tools, but there's a pull right here on the dash, and all you wanna do is just pull that off, and that bad boy's gonna come right out. Just make sure you don't hit yourself in the head. And then you're gonna get your nice trusty flashlight, and then also, for a little bit of help, what you can use is a pair of pliers. That's gonna be right up here in this corner, and that's where it's usually the temp sensor. And it usually goes bad because of moisture buildup and over time. It's a very common issue. It's not gonna stop from your AC working incorrectly or throw a check engine light on the dash. It'll just throw a fault though, indicating that there's an HVAC problem. When you guys research that code, maybe you wanna Google it, or maybe you know the technician, you'll find out that it's most likely the thermal bulb that goes into your evaporator box. Right here, we'll get a close shot so you guys know where it's at. You unplug it, you pull it out, you install the new one, and then you plug it back in. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So once you remove the panel, this right here, you gotta look straight up almost, and this is gonna be your temp sensor right here that goes into your evaporator box. You unplug and remove. All right guys, so a quick recap. Just wanna talk about the HVAC code that you guys may get on your dash, which would be a 1548 code, and an FMI. Like I said, whatever the FMI is, but it usually indicates that it would be the sensor that goes into your evaporator box. As you can see, it was very easy to do. If you guys have any questions about the video that I just shot, you guys leave me a comment at the bottom. If you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. And guys, if you want more content coming your way, you guys gotta subscribe. See you guys around at the next video.